Hi guys, Tim Queen here, and today we'll talk about if you can use LinkedIn to promote your business. And the short answer is yes. The long answer, yes, you should definitely do this because LinkedIn is one of the best places to promote any business in this world. Especially if you're doing B2B marketing, you're reaching out to other businesses, you're having a product or service which is targeting other businesses. This is a great platform to get in touch with the actual decision makers. Not only to getting in touch, actually finding out who is the right person. How many people know this? You go to some company website and they have like some info at domain.com and you don't know who you're actually writing with. On LinkedIn, you can just search for the company, look for the right role title, and you will find actually who is in charge. And then you can connect with the person and have a one-to-one conversation without having to go to 20 different hurdles to find actually the person you want to target. You can just shortcut and get right to the right person. So definitely recommend this. Get on LinkedIn, get a personal LinkedIn profile, optimize it. If you are working for a company, link your company page. If you are having a small business, create a LinkedIn company page and then use that to promote your business. And the best and most effective way how you can promote your business is content marketing on LinkedIn. I've created an entire training program, which is called the LinkedIn Accelerator Program, which teaches you exactly how to create a complete LinkedIn content marketing strategy completely from scratch. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing, also make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. And I see you in the next one. Bye.